In this section, we're talking about the mindset and how it's the starting point to the program that you're going to be doing. And just a little added note, every little micro lecture that you see outside of all of the exercises are just thinking points for you to apply once you're going through the program and as you're going through each workout. Now, the conscious mind and how it directs. We as a society are putting entirely too much subconscious effort into exercise and movement. So that is just a recipe for disaster because you become more susceptible to injury as you fatigue the body and as you increase your actual workouts over time. So with this program, as you're going through each exercise, apply yourself, focus, and you're going to actually start to learn your body to a greater detail. So in certain movements, you're going to feel certain things that you haven't felt before because you're putting so much focus into every exercise that you do. And trust me, you're going to start feeling a lot better and looking a lot better.